Hello all. Welcome to Studious Wanderer. This video is part of the series exploring Warangal Fort. In our earlier videos, we have explored Kush Mahal and Ekshila Gutta. If you have missed our previous videos, do check the video description for the links. In this vlog, we explore entrance gates for the Warangal Fort. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so you do not miss our upcoming videos in this series exploring the Warangal Fort, Telangana's gateway of glory. While coming from Warangal or Hanamkonda, this is the entrance gate we see. Warangal Fort is laid out in 3 concentric circular walls with defensive fortifications. The first structure, built during the reign of Rudrama Devi, was in the form of an earthen embankment 1.5 miles or 2.4 kilometers in diameter. A moat of about 150 feet or 46 meters width was dug around this wall, forming the outer limits of the fort during the reign of the Kakatiya rulers. Another wall built to protect the fort after the earthen wall and the moat was a fortified inner stone wall of about 0.75 miles or 1.21 kilometer in diameter. Initially, Warangal was under the rule of the Rashtrakuta dynasty in the 8th century AD and Western Chalukya Empire in 10th century AD. In the 12th century, it came under the control of the sovereign Kakatiya dynasty. Although precise dating of its construction and subsequent enhancements is uncertain, historians and archaeologists generally agree that an earlier brick-walled structure was replaced with stone by Ganpati Deva, 1199 AD 1262 AD, and was completed by his daughter Rudrama Devi, who ruled until 1289, and further strengthened by her grandson Prataparudra II, whose reign came to be known as a Golden Age. 20 years later, the kingdom was conquered by the Delhi Sultanate. In the next few minutes, let's explore the entrance gate. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel and share with your family and friends. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.